powerful cordless Gtech Multi K9 makes easy work of tough jobs. With lightweight aluminium components, the Multi K9 is built to handle stubborn dirt and the extra strain of pet hair. And the scented tabs freshen your home as you clean. The onboard attachments tackle all kinds of jobs, from cleaning your car to your stairs, or those tricky places that you can't quite reach. When you're finished, simply tip the dirt out of the easy empty bin. And each charge gives 20 minutes runtime. High performance, cord-free cleaning. The Gtech Multi K9.